Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Today we're cooking something that's near and dear to my heart, and that is good old flat iron steak. Look at that bad boy. I like these. These actually come from a local grocery store, and they are the best. And I can't wait to get to eating these. Also, I do apologize if there's any wind noise. I have noticed with my little backyard cooking area here that there's a lot of wind that comes through here, and I do apologize for that. I can't do much about it. That's the biggest downfall to cooking back here is there's a lot of wind. But I got the grill going. I got the steaks ready. We just got to season them up, and then we got to throw them on and get these suckers cooked because I am hungry, and I cannot wait to eat these big, beautiful flat irons. Let's get cooking. Also, I did try this finally. I don't know if I said anything about this in the last video or not, but this is a Blackstone griddle, and it is awesome. It was given to me by one of my friends. I tried it last night. We're going to do some videos cooking some stuff on this thing pretty soon. Also, this thing I've also realized, I made this table a while back, and I need to put some wheels on it because this side has wheels and this side doesn't, and I need wheels on that side. So that's the next thing that's going to change. Also, I haven't cooked on this thing in a while. I need to do that too, but not right now. Not today. Today we're cooking on the Weber. We're going to do some reverse searing of these big, beautiful flat irons that I got here. Me and the wife love these. These are the best cuts that we can get from our store, and let me tell you, they're hard to get. They're hard to get right now with all this meat craze going on with this stupid coronavirus crap. These are super hard to get. So anyway, grill's going. Gotta season these bad boys up, and then we're gonna get cooking. So I also learned that holding a cell phone and trying to open one of these packages is ridiculously hard. Let's see. Ugh. Boom. One down. Look at that. Yeah, I have to cut that out, I think. Cut that little piece out of there. Other than that, looks pretty good. Alright, let's get some seasoning on here. Going to use this stuff before I start. This stuff is really good on steak. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but this stuff, I probably shouldn't tell you this because this is like my secret. This is like my secret weapon for steak. This stuff is awesome. So anyway, let's just get them. Ooh, look at the wind. See, the wind is blowing my seasoning everywhere. Gotta shake it, get the little stuff out. Look at that, nice and perfect. Hi, Jenna. That's my kid. They're getting pizza. Mom and Dad are getting steak. Yeah, lots of seasoning. Most of that stuff is going to cook down and cook off, cook into the meat, you know. Alright, so I tried to film myself cutting that little chunk out, but one-handed doesn't really work very well. So anyway, I cut that little piece out. That was just a really, really bad piece, but that's okay. You have that sometimes. Anyway, let's get these suckers on the grill now. Alright, so if you guys watched my last video with the pork chops, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to reverse sear. So we're going to cook them on this side for a little bit until they reach a certain temperature, and then we're going to stick them right over top of the heat. I'm going to set this thing. It says current temp. Let's see, set temp. Ew, I got stuff all over my fingers. Ew. Alright, so real quick, like I said, sorry about the wind noise. I got the temperature set to 120. I went ahead and put the lid on, and as soon as it gets to 120, we're going to take them and flip them right on top of the heat, and then we're going to sear them. Alright, there we go. 120. Now we're going to take them, and we're going to start putting them on the heat. Alright, so I got the first one on there, right over the heat, and it is... Seriously? Seriously? That's what you're going to do? You're going to stand here this whole time and you're going to lick that? Okay. Anyway. Okay. Anyway, so we just put it right over the top of the heat. That's going to sear that side. Here in a few seconds, we'll flip it over. We'll sear the other side. And then we'll do that a few times. This is my wife's steak, so hers will get a little darker, but mine I like to have just a little bit more rare in the middle, so she does not. So we're going to get hers nice and blackened for her. She likes hers well done because she's a communist. No, I'm just joking. She's not a communist. But really, I mean, who likes well done steaks? Nobody likes well done steaks. You got to have it like a medium rare, right? Right? Am I right? Am I wrong? Tell me in the comments down below. All right, we're gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens here. Here, you know what? It's really hard to do with one hand. This is, I guess, I gotta remember to start doing some better filming here for you guys. But here, oop, take it, flip it, just like that, right on top. Look at that. All right, so I got them both on there. Hers is already a little blackened, as you can tell. Mine is not. I just now put it on there. So, like I said, I like mine a little more medium rare. So hers is probably even going to stay on longer than what mine is. And, you know, we'll see what happens. I like her, so I like mine a little more pink center, but I definitely don't like it blackened like she does. All right, well, Kayla's likes hers blackened, so there's hers blackened. A little more blacker than what I'd like to have, but anyway, there's mine. I do apologize for the shadows here. Now, let's get this bad boy off. Set her down here. Oh man, see, the shadows like horrible back here. Anyway, we're just gonna pop this. Boop. Trying to do it one-handed. I'm gonna do it one-handed, so I want you guys to be able to see it. But like I said, the shadow is just horrible back here. So anyway, I'm gonna cut it this way. We're gonna cut right down the middle here. We're just gonna see. Oh, that might be hard to do with one-handed. Ow! All right, hang on a second. All right, so now I'm battling the shadows out back here. So anyway, there she is. There's the done product. See if I can see. Look at my shadow. Look how bad that is. It's like a first time cooking, you know, like first time filming something. But anyway, look at that. Didn't that not look good? All right, so that's it. I'm gonna go eat these things. Sorry for the horrible videos here lately. I've just been trying to do everything with my cell phone just because I'm doing it late at night. This past weekend I was gonna cook a bunch of stuff and I didn't. We went to an off-road park instead because Indiana kind of half opened. So I didn't cook anything. Happens. But anyway, I'm going to go enjoy these steaks. So we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you'd like to see some more. Next time, the old griddle's coming out. I'm telling you, right now it's going to be a good one. Stick around.